Okay, the next topic in the file input output operations is random access of data files. So up to this point, the accessing of data is called as sequential access. Sequential access. Sequential access. So what is meant by sequential access? So access means getting required information. Getting required information in a data file is called accessing. Okay, suppose in a data file called customer, in customer data file, I have some lakhs of records. Okay, some lakhs of records, some 1 lakh of records. Now I want to access a record which is called 90,000. I want to access a record which is at 90,000 position. 90,000 record I want. 90,000 record I want to access. I want to print. Okay. So normally, so if you want to access 90,000 record, so you have to cross all 89,000 records. You have to cross all 89,000 records because it is completely sequential access. Sequential access means one by one record will be jumping. Okay, one by one record or one character by character. Okay. So in the serial order, it is going, the compiler is going to read the information. Okay. So in the sequential access, what happens here? The performance of the application is degraded when we have large amounts of information. So in such cases, we can use random access of data files. Means using random access methods, directly we can move the file pointer. Means the locator, file locator onto a particular position. So that what happens here? Directly you are accessing a particular record using pointer, using locator means it is very easier job compared to sequential access. So in the sequential access, what happens here? So many records are there. In the many records, it has to read each and every record. So after crossing or reading each and every record, so it is going to give the required record. Okay. So in that way, so it is going to take lot of time. Okay, by which the performance of the application may be degraded. Okay. Suppose same customer file, I want to access 90,000 record. I have to cross how many records here? 89,000 records have to be crossed. Then only you will get 90,000 records. Okay. So to overcome this problem, we have random access of data files in C language. Okay. So how to perform random access? So in random access technology, in random access method, here we are going to have two functions. What are the two functions? One is fseek function, and next function is ftell function. So fseek function, this is to locate pointer onto a particular character or particular record, and ftell function is going to give the location of the file pointer where it is located. Suppose I want to read 90,000 record. So here you can say that directly you go on to 90,000 record and fetch that particular record. Okay, using which command? Which function? fseek function. Fseek function is specially designed for moving file pointer to a specific character, specific record. And ftell function is going to used for what? It is going to give the location where the file pointer is pointed. Okay. So I will explain the syntaxes here. Fseek function syntax is like this: fseek file pointer offset the position. So file pointer means it is a file pointer which is going to be pointed to a particular data file. Offset means the location. Position means from which location. Okay. For example, fseek fptr comma offset 4, 0. So it indicates what? Let us say file pointer is pointing to which file here? This file, customer.dat file. So in the customer.dat file, starting from 0th location, starting from beginning character, the file pointer will be moving 4 characters forward. The file pointer is placed on 4th character starting from 0th character. Okay, so this can be 0. 0 means starting location. 1 indicates what? Current position. Okay, fseek fptr 4,0. 4,0 means from beginning onwards, from beginning location, the file pointer is placed on the 4th character. Suppose here in case of 1 lakh records, how to place file pointer on a particular record? For that, first of all, I have to know size of structure. So how to know the size of the structure? By using size of operator, you can know the structure. Okay, so if you want to read, so suppose a 10th record, 10 into size of the structure, 10 into size of the structure. Okay, because the file pointer will be placed on fseek. So fseek command. So next, ftell function is going to tell the current location of the file pointer. Okay, like this, I can use fseek function to place file pointer on the required position, required character, and ftell function is going to give the location where file pointer is located. Okay, so using this fseek function, just we are going to read a customer data file. So in the customer data file, first I am going to ask the user which record you want. So according to client requirement, I will be moving the file pointer onto the particular record. Directly I will display that particular record. Okay, same structure I am going to use here, customer structure, which I have used in the previous application. Like customer is going to have ID, name and balance. ID, name and balance. These 3 fields or columns are there in the structure called customer structure. Okay, just I will read this. Same structure I will declare here also. Customer, okay, struct customer, integer ID, character, name, float, balance. Close this. Okay, after this declaration of this structure, just you fill up the data from the keyboard into C structure variable. After that, just you place this record onto data file. So after placing all the records, you ask the user which record he wanted to display, which record. Okay, so according to client requirement, the given record must be displayed. Here just I am going to ask the user which record he wanted to display, each record he wanted to read. Okay, printf enter which record you want. Scanf %n. Now according to client requirements, I will read that. fseek. So what are the parameters here? First cptr, file pointer. Next n-1 into size of what? C, comma, starting from 0. Here you place f read ampersand C, size of C, comma 1 comma cptr. Just look at this. How many records you want to enter? Just I want to enter 3 records. Okay. So it is for first employee information like 1 to 7, name, JKL, balance 30,000. Again it is for second information, second employee, second customer information, and KLJ, balance 34,000. And it is next employee information. Next customer, sorry. KSK, balance 24,000. Which record? Second record. Just look at this. 234, KLJ 34,000. The second record. Second record we have displayed. It is second record like this. This is up to this. This is the first record. Second record information is 234, KLJ 34,000. So means here, what is the size of the structure here? Size of the structure is 15 bytes for name, 4 bytes for balance, 2 bytes for ID. Means each structure record occupies 15 plus 4, 19 plus 2, 21. So at the same time, I wanted to print the file position also. Just you look at this. Printf the file pointer is located at %d, say ftel of cptr. Three records, 23, KSK, balance 9,000, ID 123, LJ, balance 4,000, ID again 342, which record? See 42 means 2 records, second record. The file pointer is located at 42nd place. 42nd means each structure occupies 21 bytes. 21 into 2, 42 bytes. At 42nd place, the file pointer is now located. So here I have given n minus 1. If I give n into size of C means what happens here? N becomes how much? 2 into, suppose I give my record, I want to locate record pointer at second record. 2 into 21. So at the end of 42nd place, it is displayed. So starting from 21st position, I want to display the characters. That is why I have given n minus 1. That is why I have given what? N minus 1. N minus 1 means 1 into 21. Yes, so at the end of first record. At the end of first record means starting from second record onwards. Starting from second record onwards up to end. Up to end means 21 to 42. So the file pointer is located at 42nd position. Okay. If I give n, what happens here? Third record will be retrieved. If I give n, third record is retrieved. So n minus 1 means 1 into 21. So at the end of 21st record, 21st character, because each structure occupies 21 bytes. 21 bytes. Starting from 22nd or 21st, I want to display all the characters. That is why I given what? N minus 1. So this is about displaying required record using random access functions like fseek and ftell functions. Just look at the program once again. First I have declared structure with 3 members, ID, name, balance. In the main function, what I did, I have declared one file pointer called cptr. So I am declaring 2 variables called n, I, and using cptr, what I am doing here, I am opening a file called cust.dat. So cust.dat will be opened with W mode, because first time we are going to write data into data file. So that is why I have given W mode. And so as a choice of user, I am taking user choice here. Enter how many records you want to enter. So that value I am storing into n. So this loop is for repeating for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n. Means for 2 records. N means it may be 2 records or 3 records, 5 records, 10 records, whatever number it may be. So before I am storing data into cust.dat file, I am taking data from keyboard. So taking data from keyboard by these 3 scanf statements, scanf functions, printf, scanf, printf, scanf, printf, scanf. So after that, what I am doing here? So using fwrite function, I am writing the record, current record. Okay, after reading the data, at the same time I am writing the information into cptr. So cptr means it is pointing to cust.dat file. So in the next line, what I am doing here? I am closing the data file using cptr. And in the next line, I am opening the same file with R mode. Okay. So at the top only you can write, you can include a option for reading and writing operation. So just for separation of reading and writing operations, I am closing and reopening the same data file with R mode. Now I am taking user choice here. Enter which record you want. Okay, so that value I am storing into n. Now in order to select a particular record, I am using what? Fseek function. So fseek function is going to have 3 parameters. So what are the 3 parameters here? First one is pointer. Next one is size. How many bytes you wanted to move from the 0th location, means starting location. Okay, after that I am using what? Fread function to load the data into structure variable. Okay, how to load the data? Fread %c, size of c, 1, cptr. So 1 means from the 21st, from second record, just I want to load only 1 record. Okay, 1 record will be loaded into C, and after loading 1 record, I am printing the record. So in the next line, what I am doing here, just I am printing the position of the file pointer using ftell function. Okay, so this is about random access using 2 functions, fseek and ftell functions.